Today I will discuss about the subject biology, chapter 10. Main topic is site of photosynthesis. As I discussed already about the photosynthesis chemical reaction. As you know, the photosynthesis, which has raw material carbon dioxide obtained from the atmosphere and water obtained from the soil. But this photosynthesis, like life process, has completed in the presence of light and green pigment called chlorophyll. But where chlorophyll is found? This is the question. Chlorophyll present in the chloroplast, and chloroplast only found in the plant cell, and this chloroplast present in the higher plant in the mesophyll tissue of the leaf, sometime green stem of the young plant in the herbaceous plant like mustard, wheat also has chloroplast. So chloroplast is site for chloroplast is site for photosynthesis. Here chloroplast is green color pigment. Chloroplast is green color pigment. Chloroplast generally found in the mesophyll tissue present in the mesophyll tissue of leaf. Chloroplast structure as chloroplast is bilayered structure. Chloroplast is bilayered structure it is bilayered structure. But difference is, although both layers are made by the lipoprotein, protein and lipid, but difference is as the outer membrane of chloroplast, outer membrane of chloroplast generally permeable for protein. It is permeable for protein. The outer membrane of chloroplast is generally has a smooth surface, and the inner membrane is impermeable for protein. So this is the difference in the outer membrane and inner membrane of the chloroplast. Outer membrane is permeable for protein, but inner membrane is impermeable for protein. The gap present between outer and inner membrane is called as periplastidial space. Periplastidial space present between the outer and inner membrane in the chloroplast. Chloroplast generally contain many stacks of coin-like structure which are attached to each other by the intergranum lamella, and these grana are generally has the unit structure called as granum. Granum are thylakoid. Here, this unit structure of grana is granum. The this total part is called grana. Grana is plural. Grana is plural. The grana made by the single unit structure which is called as granum or thylakoid. This thylakoid contain many spherical body in it. This spherical body called as quantasome. Spherical body called as quantasome, which is called as photosynthetic unit in the chloroplast. So quantasome is photosynthetic unit in the chloroplast. As quantasome present in the thylakoid, this unit structure thylakoid, and this quantasome which is generally spherical form, but the grana attached to each other by the help of intergranum lamella. Intergranum lamella. Here, if singular, it is intergranum lamella. Generally, the light reaction occur in the grana. in the grana light reaction take place. Outside to the grana, all the matrix part known as stroma. In the stroma part, dark stage or dark reaction take place. In the chloroplast, which is mostly spherical structure, chloroplast also contain the bilayered and circular form DNA, which is called as plastidial DNA. This plastidial DNA responsible for the replication, or this plastidial DNA can synthesize new copy of chloroplast. Beside DNA, there are presence of osmophilic droplet in the stroma part. These are osmophilic droplet. Osmophilic droplet. Many enzymes also present in the stroma part outside the grana. As grana are the stacks of coin-like structure and attached to each other by the help of intergranal lamella, plural lamellae. Chloroplast quantasome contain about 230 chlorophyll in it. Each quantasome contains 230 chlorophyll in it. So chlorophyll generally take part in the photosynthesis. This chlorophyll, as abbreviation CHL, this chlorophyll present in the chloroplast. Chlorophyll present in the chloroplast, and this chloroplast is bilayered structure, bimembranous structure, in which the outer membrane is permeable for protein, but inner membrane is impermeable for protein. Outside membrane and inside or inner membrane both are smooth in the shape, unlike mitochondria, where inner membrane has finger-like projection called cristae. Although mitochondria and chloroplast both are called as semi-autonomous cell organelle, but differences is in the chloroplast outer membrane and inner membrane both are smooth, but in mitochondria inner membrane has finger-like projection called cristae. In case of mitochondria, the matrix take part in different types of enzyme combination in the Krebs cycle. But here the stroma which is present outside to the grana takes part in the dark reaction of photosynthesis. Dark reaction of photosynthesis occur in the stroma. Dark reaction case generally you see in the previous lecture, organic compound formation take place. Organic compound in the form of glucose generally synthesized in the dark reaction which occur in the night, but in the grana light reaction occur which take part in the daytime. So this is the chloroplast as contain the chlorophyll in the quantasome. Quantasome is photosynthetic unit. But what is the structure of chlorophyll? This is the question. What is the structure of chlorophyll? So, you study about the structure of chlorophyll. As in case of chlorophyll, two parts present. One part is called as phytol head. Phytol head, which is about 15 micron, and next part is phytol tail, which is about 20 micron. In the chlorophyll A, presence of CH3 or methyl group at carbon second of pyrrole ring second. Generally, phytol head has 4 pyrrole ring arranged by the strength of methyl group present on each pyrrole ring. The fourth pyrrole ring, which attached by the long chain of the phytol tail. Phytol head absorb the photon as the small unit of sunlight and stimulate magnesium. So magnesium generally release the electron and produces Mg2 positive. Here magnesium is found in the center of chlorophyll. Then magnesium has such type of structure. All around this nitrogen is present in the chlorophyll. This nitrogen is the part of pyrrole ring. In pyrrole ring, 1 nitrogen and 4 carbon attached in making the pyrrole ring like this. This is the structure of pyrrole ring. Each pyrrole ring now attached to each other by the carbon. like this. Here, first pivot ring, second pivot ring, third pivot ring, fourth pivot ring, but in the third pivot ring, there is presence of a fifth like condition. Here, attachment of CO and here attachment of C double bond O CH3. Now the bonding pattern as seen in the like this. After this, each pivot ring has CH3. Like second pivot ring, at second carbon CH3 present. But third carbon, ethyl C2, CH2, CH3 present. Here also presence of methyl, but here presence of CH double bond CH2. Now the presence of the total CH3 attached by each pivot ring. Long phytol tail formation take place like in the phytol tail, which generally made by a sequence of the such sequence arranged like this. This is a sequence where the total sequence of the phytol tail arranged like this. So the CH2, 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 CH, CH3. Likewise, CH2, 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 CH, CH3. Again CH2, 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 CH, CH3 and CH3. This is the long phytol tail. This phytol head, generally the photon means unit of sunlight. These photons reaches on the phytol head and the solar energy absorbed in the phytol head. So this is the chlorophyll A. This is the structure of chlorophyll A. In chlorophyll A structure, first of all, told in the 1940 by the H. Fisher. H. Fisher 1940 first told the structure of chlorophyll A. Important point of chlorophyll A is it contains CH3 group at carbon second or at second carbon atom in second. Here Roman letter applied in the pyrrole ring. So this is the complete structure of the chlorophyll A, which mainly take part in the maximum plant in the photosynthesis. But chlorophyll A is not found in the bacteria. In the bacteria, chlorophyll A is not present, but in all green plant like higher plant, green algae, brown algae and red algae, chlorophyll A is present. And in case of chlorophyll B, here in chlorophyll B, the CHO group found at second carbon atom of second pyrrole ring. This is important point. The difference between the chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B is, in case of chlorophyll A, which has molecular formula C55 H72O5 N4 Mg. This is the molecular formula for chlorophyll A. But in the case of chlorophyll B, if CHO group is present, so minimize 2 hydrogen and increase of 1 oxygen. That is why the formula of the chlorophyll B is C55 H70 O6 N4 Mg. So in this way I told you about the molecular structure of the chlorophyll A, which contains phytol head and phytol tail. Phytol tail is long, it is 20 microns, and phytol head is only 15 micron. And this 15 micron is all around, like this is also 15 micron, this part also 15 micron, and this part also 15 micron. Here, few workers, as said, this is fifth, but only the 4 pyrrole rings are arranged, in which the nitrogen arranged by the 4 carbon, and the chlorophyll B case, here at the second carbon CHO group is present instead of CH3 in case of chlorophyll A. Okay.